I was a PE major, so, physical activity, those kind of things, I think you need that forever, from the littlest kids to the oldest adults. The P&Q, it's actually the biggest revenue generator to Spokane, and it's one of, I think, 15 now. They keep adding a few every year, national qualifier for USA volleyball. So teams are coming there looking to earn a bid to nationals, and it's girls, ages 11 through 18. It's just really spread. It started out 53 teams, and we were at just under 800 this past year. That's been the tricky part with the NC2A happening every so often here as well. We run into issues with having enough space for everybody, which, it's a good problem to have, that we're filling up Spokane and the surrounding area. Anytime you can get a place for kids and the community, adults as well, to have something that's fun and they can enjoy and it's safe and it's not out, doing things that they probably shouldn't be doing. If that's something that we can help make happen for, all these people in our community, I mean, that's to me a win, like for everybody. So.